I'm Liz, and I am here with my friend, Recycling Ben, and we're talking about curbside recycling in the city of Dalton. On the back of the bin, or on the inside of your recycling bin, you'll find the recycling bin instructions. The last category is plastics. It says that we accept plastic bottles used for milk, juice, soap, and soft drinks, with number 1 and number 2. This is recycling symbol number 1, and as you can see, it has the chasing arrows and it says PETE on the bottom. And this one is for plastic number 2, same thing, recycling chasing arrows and HDPE. It's a different kind of plastic. These are the two numbers that you should look for when recycling with this program. One of the first things I started recycling were soda bottles. Soda bottles have plastic number 1 symbol on them. All you need to do to prepare your plastic bottle for recycling is rinse it out, remove some of that food residue. If you can, flatten it to save space in your bin and put it in your bin. Water bottles also are plastic number 1. You need to remove the lid, flatten them if you can, like this, and put them in your recycling bin. We need to remove our caps from our products because the caps and lids are a different type of plastic that are not recycled with our program. So you need to separate the caps and throw them away. This is also plastic number 1. It's a little more rigid, but you can flatten it if you want to save room and put that in the recycling bin. This bottle is PETE number 1. It's actually for contact lens solution, and I was really surprised, but it actually is recyclable. And you can flatten it and put it in the bin. The remainder of the plastics are plastic number 2. This juice bottle has plastic number 2 symbol on the bottom, so always be on the lookout for those numbers. Remove the lid, rinse it out to remove food residue, put it in your bin. Some of these are harder to crush. This one has plastic number 2 symbol also on the bottom. I've already rinsed it out and crushed it. So you just need to put that in the recycling bin. Some other items are these detergent bottles. These are actually plastic number 2. Just look on the bottom. Remove the lid, that's not recyclable. And just look on the bottom, plastic number 2 right there. And these, you can just lightly rinse them and put them in your recycling bin. It's easy to recycle plastic. Just be on the lookout for that number 1 and number 2.